my name is Shelbi Kottich, and I am one of the graduate enrollment specialists here at Concordia University, Nebraska. Today, I'm going to take you through a quick tutorial on how to apply for the Tech 21 course credit through Concordia University, Nebraska. So the first thing you're going to see here is that I am using a desktop or laptop. And I'm also on Google Chrome, so you should definitely use a desktop or laptop. The mobile phone option with our application just doesn't work very well. And then Google Chrome, Firefox, or Microsoft Edge are the preferred browsers to use for the application as well. Safari is just not compatible with our application, so just keep those two things in mind: desktop or laptop, and anything but Safari for your browser. So after I logged into my Google, I am typing in www.cune.edu/apply. Click enter. It's going to take you to this screen. And we are a graduate student, so I'm going to click create an account to begin your application. And this is where you're just going to enter some personal information. You can enter your phone numbers. I'm not going to do that yet. Then put your address, city, state, and zip code. This is really important for the entry term. We are going to put summer semester 2025. And then for the academic level, we're going to put coursework only. And for what type of student are you? We are a non-matriculant, coursework only. And the academic program is the last option. It's Tech 21. So then you're going to make your little password. Click begin your application. And now it's taken us to the second screen. So you can see most of the information has auto-populated from the first screen. You can add anything that you feel like you need to, but definitely the red asterisks are what you need to focus on. My address all auto-populated over. It's gonna make me put in a phone number now. And then for academic plans, you can see the summer semester auto-populated over. And then for preferred start date, we're gonna put June 30th, 2025. There should only be one option, but just in case. And then select coursework category is just coursework. And then what academic program will you pursue? Tech 21, it should auto-populate. Just in case it doesn't, you'll know what to put there. And then for how will you pay, you can put self-pay. If you're an employer directly related to one, you can put yes, but I'm going to keep it no. Disciplinary history, answer as it pertains to your situation. And then for certification, we're just going to put yes. So I understand that once my application has been submitted, it may only be altered by contacting the Concordia admissions office. So we won't change it unless you ask us to. Do you certify that all the information is correct? And do you certify, or do you understand that by submitting this form, you have consented to receiving calls, texts, or emails about possible degree programs or things that we might need from your application? So if you're all good with that, you can put yeses here and then you'll sign. And then you'll click Submit Application. And then your application has been submitted. We'll click to check our application status. You can see here's your application right here, and then there is a required action for the status, so we're going to click View. And it's going to ask us for your college transcript. We actually don't need that, so your enrollment specialist will waive that for you. So don't worry about uploading this. We'll waive that on our end, and then we'll be able to review your application after it comes through, and you'll hear from us within 1 to 2 business days after you submit your application. So this was pretty easy to apply, but if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us. But once we see that application come through, we'll be reaching out to you as soon as we can. Thank you so much.